如果搞掂呢三個問題，你嘅英文就會即刻變得清晰、準確同成熟好多。Hello，大家好，我係杜 Sir。今日想同大家講三個文憑試學生經常會犯錯嘅英文文法問題。如果搞掂呢三個問題，你嘅英文就會即刻變得清晰、準確同成熟好多。最重要咧係唔使再俾人扣分啦。Hi everyone, I'm Glenn. Today I want to walk you through 3 grammar mistakes that almost every Hong Kong DSE student struggles with. If you can fix these problems, your writing will instantly sound clearer, more accurate, and more mature. And most importantly, you will stop losing those precious marks. 第一個問題係時態一致 （tense consistency）。我哋睇下呢句 ：Students said the program is useful because they learn many new skills。因為前邊 said 係過去式，所以後邊嘅動詞都應該由現在式變成過去式。正確嘅寫法應該係 Students said the program was useful because they learned many new skills。第二個問題係關係句子含糊 （relative clauses ambiguity）。我哋睇下呢句 ：The teacher helped the student who struggled with homework, which was difficult。個含糊位喺 which was difficult 呢度，佢可以指呢個功課好困難，通常都係你想表達嘅意思，但佢亦都可以指 struggle 掙扎呢個行為。The struggling was difficult。嗱，聽落好似有啲怪，但係文法上係可以咁樣解讀。考官見到有含糊嘅位，就會覺得你表達唔夠精準，會直接扣 clarity 同 accuracy 分。咁可以點改呢？我哋可以話 The teacher helped the student who struggled with homework, comma, which was difficult。喺 which 前面加 comma， 呢個係 non-restrictive relative clause 嘅意思係老師幫咗個做功課有困難嘅學生，順便補充一句，啲功課係難嘅。我哋又可以話 The teacher helped the student who struggled with homework that was difficult。冇加 comma， 但係用 that 代替咗 which。嗱，呢個係 restrictive relative clause， 意思係老師幫嘅係做緊難嘅功課，而有困難嘅學生，好清楚指定咗係邊種功課啦。That 係我哋修飾 homework。第三個問題係用錯連接詞 misuse of connectors。好多學生都會死記硬背咗一堆連接詞，好似 however、therefore、moreover， 但係到用嘅時候呢，會用錯喎。我哋睇下呢個例子。The school organized a charity event. However, many students joined。呢一句入邊前後冇對比，所以唔應該用 however。正確我哋應該用 therefore 或者係 as a result 咁樣，而且我哋應該交代學生出席呢個慈善活動嘅原因。我哋可以講 The school organized a charity event, and as a result, many students joined because they wanted to support a meaningful cause。又或者係 The school organized a charity event, therefore many students joined to show their support。 用錯連接詞係會扣 language accuracy 分， 同埋 sentence variety 分。用得啱嘅呢，考官會加你 logical flow 分㗎。
If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. If you'd like to improve your English skills and do well in exams, you're welcome to join my class. 如果覺得呢條片幫到你嘅話，就記住 like、share 同 subscribe。如果你想提升你嘅英文能力，喺英文試入邊脫穎而出，咁就記得報讀我嘅課程咯。報名方法可以喺說明欄嗰度揾到。下次見，拜拜。